So we just received this really awesome prototype from Keystone, Montana, and I want to know what your thoughts are. This is a legacy package 3121 rear living. Now your feedback's really important to us, so please do not hesitate to comment or even share your ideas. If you are seeing this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and all our other social medias to stay up to date with the product change and special insights only for our followers. So let's go check this thing out. So if you look close, you'll see a different oven and stove unit from Suburban. Are you excited to see your reputable name back in the Montana, or is that something that wasn't really major to you? Now again, this prototype, it does contain the all-new Cottage White kitchen cabinets, which is available on all Montanas currently to date, not on just this unit. Do you like the contrast? Looking at this countertop, you will see it is still a Corian countertop with just a little bit less contrast to it than the standard. You think it goes well with the color palette? You may have noticed also that the sink faucet is a matte black. Still has a stainless steel head to it, has a bit more contrast to this new countertop. Do you prefer that over the traditional full stainless steel look? At the entertainment center, this Montana is equipped with a Vizio brand television that was previously Furion. This Montana is equipped with the Bourbon sofa interior. Your other option is the lighter gray interior that they call the Champagne. That only refers to the couch and theater seating. As we dive deeper into the kitchen, pay close attention to how each one of these cabinets close. So each one of these cabinets and drawers is going to be a soft close system. Now granted, it is cold. This unit's only been inside for a couple minutes and it's 30 degrees outside. So it is going to function a little bit quicker as you use it in normal conditions. So stepping into the bathroom, let's take a look at this sink. This one's equipped with a taller and heavier duty faucet geared for your full-time use and to keep you out of the hardware store. So above the toilet, you will see this towel hanger. It simply folds down, hang your towel on it. When you're done, it'll flip right back up into the closed position. Would you like to see the Cottage White up here in the bedroom? This unit is for sale. Please see the information below for this very rare and exciting opportunity to call it yours. You'll be the talk of the campground with this one. What are your thoughts or ideas on that? Please share. We would love to hear your feedback. It's very important to us. So this prototype is equipped with 8,000 pound axles and Sailun H-range tires. So that's what you're getting into when you step into a redwood or a landmark. Is this a valuable change to you? Have you had any issues with the 7,000 pound axles and G-range tires? Thank you for watching. Again, please give us your feedback and subscribe to this channel for all the exclusive subscribers information. Thank you and have a great day. Montana on.